NEEDOHS, Dumplings, and now Clixies? I bought every single viral item online. And they make keychain versions of slime? Now, was this a huge financial risk? Absolutely. We're not gonna ask the bank for a receipt, okay? Let's give you like a quick little rundown of everything we're gonna show in this video. Clixies, NEETO, Dumplings, any Gooey Gooey slime? Or Fuglers are. These little things that keep going viral. Don't ask questions. It was a long month. Will I go financially broke after this video? Maybe. Please like and subscribe and comment. And I am giving all this stuff away to you guys, but I'll tell you at the end. Now warning, this video may be extremely triggering to you. Why? Because it took me almost 2 months to gather all of this and endless, countless hours in stores. So roll the tape. Welcome back. These are called Clixies. Literally, they've gone viral overnight and you can't find them in any stores. What they look like. You get 3 when you look at the package, and then they come with 2 more. And they're retailing, I think, for like $6.99, because they do come apart quite easily. Very, very, very satisfying. They just don't really hold up. I don't know where these have been. I remember watching a video not that long ago of someone going, wait until the Neato crew finds these. And I was like, yeah, bet. And you can't find these anywhere. I went to 5 different Targets. They're not sold online because they're what? They're already sold out. Because of who? Because of you guys. But I mean, like, kudos to you. You're just making it really hard to make these videos for you. Okay, keyboard fell apart. We're gonna have to rebuild this real quick. Perfectly laid out. We got this orange one. You hear how satisfying that is? We have this green one. Pink, purple one. And now we're gonna do the 2 mysteries. 3, 2, 1. Oh wait, it's yellow. I don't think I have yellow yet. Next one. If you're this far in the video, will you please comment Maddie get scissors? Because maybe one of you will get the notification when I'm at the store. Okay. Oh, that's cute. It's purple. Connect them like a keyboard. The only issue is that they're really, really like flimsy. My point exactly. Now, we're going to be rating these on 2 things. Are they viral? Yes. And would I camp out overnight to get these in a Target parking lot? Actually, for these, I'm gonna say yes. I 100% am. I am. Like, I'm being honest with you. So Gooey Gooey came out with mini slime keychains, and that sounds extremely wild, but also, why has no one thought of that yet? Anyway, we're gonna open it. This one is the butter slime. It's a mini one. It's actually such a good idea. Like, if you think about how slime is, like, they literally have it on a phone. Anyway, let's open it. Sections. Look at how cute this is. Okay, super cute. All you have to do is comment something super sweet in my comment sections, then go reply to other comments, like being nice to them. Boom, that's how I pick. All right, what color is this gonna be? Does it tell us on the box? Oh no, it doesn't. Boom, it's purple. This is the, I think it's the, I don't know what kind it is. Push it out. Okay, wait, but their slime's always so good. This is the butter. The smell could always be better, but it's so good, okay? We're gonna put it in our mini one. Look at how cute. I'm obsessed. Like, this is actually a genius idea. I'm obsessed. I think this is the most brilliant, I think it's the most brilliant one. Y'all, my neighbor makes out with this stuff because I'm always going to the store, and then she's like younger, so she likes the type of stuff that I'm like trying, and so I keep giving her NEEDOHS. I keep giving her dumplings. So you too can get one. Just comment in my comment sections. Okay, we're gonna do the second one. This one is gloss. Your girl does not like gloss, but your girl's gonna do it for you. So many of these for you guys. Look at how, can I just beg them? Could you guys please just do a mini branding for like a chapstick? Like, put a chapstick in there. Your guys' packaging is always so cute. They also have the little add-ins. Okay. I wonder if it's gonna be pink. Oh, it's blue. See, not a gloss fan. Okay. I don't think that was supposed to happen. Oh my gosh, this smells like the way that Silly Putty used to smell when I was a kid. Okay, you just had to like play with it for a minute. I'm obsessed. Now, is this viral? No, because no one knows it's out yet, and there were tons left. Would I wait in an overnight parking lot for this at Target? You know what? If you guys truly wanted a review, yes, I would, because they're so cute. Next, open one. And we're not just gonna open two. I'm gonna go to my Neato wall and we're gonna pick out more. Okay, I have a couple we're gonna open for you, okay? First off, the pink fuzzball, which apparently these are hard to find. These are the worst ones on the market. I'm sorry, they are. They make your hands feel chalky. 3, 2, 1. However, I do think that these are the best one when it comes to like feeling, but maybe you just have to wash them off. But I don't know, guys, like, they just leave your hand chalky, but they do feel good. A purple, what color is that? Purple, pink, black swirl. These are my favorite. The nice cubes, I will buy them off of resellers to give them to you guys because I love them so much. But I like the ones that are not the swirls because they're more tough, but like, so good. The Valentine's edition NEEDOHS. For you. Push me, baby. These aren't my favorite, but they were limited edition and I drove 4 hours to get these. So yeah, up one. This is the Neato. Okay. Well, this is a pup and this is not a dog. This would be a cat, but it's so cute. Are these viral? Absolutely. People are reselling them for over $50. Now, would I spend overnight in a Target parking lot for you guys? Yeah, I would. For these, for you, absolutely. Love you, and I would do that for you. Next things are the most wild take I've seen on things that go viral. They're called Fuglers, okay? They are ugly, and I don't actually get the meaning behind these, and maybe I can insert like a TikTok here of someone explaining it, but here's one. It has a button on its butt, okay? Here's the pink one. Actually, I haven't opened this one. I'm pretty sure this is the girl at Five Below told me this was a super rare Valentine's Day one, and I believed her. I like straight up was like, cool, buy me 3. I also have one that won't stop farting, and we actually had to throw it away, but it's got a button on its butt. Kind of cute. I don't really know what you do with it. So I've just been keeping them on the shelves because I'm giving them to you guys. So I guess if you've made it this far in the video and you actually really want a Fugler, comment if you want the pink Fugler or the blue Fugler. And if you leave a nice comment, I might give it to you. We're gonna open the dumplings, hot commodity. These are very viral. I'm pretty sure these are knockoffs, but I'm also giving them to you guys. So let's just pretend they're real and they're cute, okay? I have a blue one, a gold one, and a green one. Who cares if they're fake? They do literally the same thing. We're gonna open this dumpling, okay? Drum roll, please. 3, 2, 1. Is it pink? Oh my God, it's red. But wait, I don't have a red one yet. I don't have a red. It's kind of giving Christmas spirit. I can't wait for Christmas because look, we have a green and we have a red one. Merry Christmas, you're welcome. Please be a pink one. That's all I really want for you, at least. Ready? 3, 2, 1. We got a pink! I wanted this pink so bad. I don't know why, because I'm giving it to you, but I wanted a pink so bad. Ah! You saw it here first because I've done so many unboxings and I've yet to get a pink, but we just got one. And she's perfect. Also, all of these smell like bleach. That's mildly concerning, but what a way. I don't think I have anything else to unbox. What a way to end this vlog. And it is with a pink dumpling. Okay, so are these going viral? Absolutely. Would I wait overnight for these? Absolutely I would. I'm just gonna call it. I think they're so much fun to open and do blind boxes. We didn't have these when I was a kid, so as an adult, I'm like eating this up. Also, I don't need them, so it's more fun that I give them to you guys. But like, overall, all the products we tested tonight were amazing. And there's a clear reason why some of them are going viral. Clicky keyboard, you just have to be gentle. This is why I want the actual one. But like, I'm obsessed. Like I said, you have to be gentle. If you want the ultimate pink squishy or like anything you saw in the video today, all you have to do is leave a very nice comment in my comment sections. Not about me, not about like my looks, my hair, my nothing. I'm talking about like if you're having a bad day, this is for you. Something motivational, something sweet, and then go comment on other people's comments and like hype them up. You've got it, queen. You're gonna do great. And that's how I pick people. And it's because you guys truly deserve it. So it might be a bad day month. Wait, I also launched merch. In case you're wondering, I'm putting it in the comment sections. We have a meet and greet that'll be over Zoom. We have a meet and greet that'll be over Zoom. We have a cameo video I send you. Basically, you tell me your name, your pronouns, and like if you have a special message you want me to say. And then we have Maddie's bracelets. And this has been something I've always done. We took a break because we couldn't figure out how to do them. But it is something for you guys. It's SI prevention. It's just Team Maddie loves you. And that's always the environment I want to do. And then I started kind of like a Patreon where you guys can join in too. So everything will be in the links. Everything will be in the description. I love you guys. It might be a bad day month here, but it's not a bad life. I'll see you on the flippy floppy. Bye.